Stop by and take a look at the 2020 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.